Good morning, everyone. I hope that everyone is safe and stay inside your houses or inside your room. Okay? Okay, so try to solve this first in your notebooks. You only have numbers 1 to 5. Remember how to divide fraction and mixed numbers and vice versa. Okay? Okay, so for today's lesson, we are on solves non-routine problems involving division without or with any of the other operations of fractions and mixed fractions using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Remember that we have different steps or strategies or techniques in solving word problems. You have there the Agonza, you also have there the upper method, and there are also ways of solving word problems. Okay? Okay, let's have here an example that it says, Eunice gave 2/7 of a cake to her office mate and 1/5 to her boss. If she will divide the remaining cake to her three children, what part of the cake will each get? Okay, so let us analyze the problem. Let us first understand the problem by what is being asked in the problem. Yes, it says there that the part of the cake that each child get. Okay, so what are the given information or what are the given facts? We have 2/7 given to her office mate, 1/5 given to her boss, and three children. Okay, let us plan what to do by writing the operation to use to solve the problem, and of course we have to select what strategy is good or better in order for us to solve this problem. Okay, so to solve the problem, use an illustration to represent the part of the cake, then label each part according to what are given in the problem, and then by labeling the parts, of course, you will get easily the answer. Okay. Okay, let's now solve this problem using an illustration. First is you're going to divide the cake into 7 parts. That it says there, 2/7 of the cake was given to her office mate. So let's have the 7 parts of the cake, in which 2 parts, the shaded regions here, or the shaded parts, this represents 2/7, which was given to her office mate. So how many parts are remaining parts? Okay, very good. There are 5 parts. And then from the remaining parts, which are 5 parts, 1/5 of which was given to her boss. The shaded region represents the part of the cake which was given to her boss, okay, which is 1/5. So how many parts of the cake was the remaining parts? Yes, very good. There are only 4, in which 4 parts of the cake will be divided equally among her 3 children. So as you can see there, these remaining parts, you have 4 parts. This will be divided among her 3 children. So how many do you think will each of the child get? Okay, so you have there this part, which is 1 whole, and then another region here, which is 1/3. Another 1 whole, and then another 1/3 of the remaining part. And another child will get 1 and another 1/3. So it means that each of the child will get 1 and 1/3 part of the cake. Okay? Okay, so let us solve the problem using the computation that it says there. 7 parts times 2/7 is equal to 7 times 2 over 7 is equal to 14 divided by 7, or 2 parts of the cake which was given to her office mate. So, from 7 parts minus 2 is equal to 5 parts of the remaining cake. Okay? Then, you have 5 times 1/5, which is 5 times 1 over 5, which is 5 divided by 5, or 1, is the part of the cake which was given to her boss, or 1 part of the cake given to her boss. So the remaining number is 5 minus 1 is equal to 4, or the 4 parts of the cake which will be divided equally among her 3 children. So 4 divided by 3 is equal to 1 and 1/3, in which each of the child will get 1/3 part, 1 and 1/3 part of the cake. Okay? Okay, try to do this by yourself. Read first the problem and then write the number sentence, then solve. Okay, so you are guided already on how are you going to solve this problem. It is there. You have to write the number sentence, then write your solution, and of course, you have to write also your answer. Okay? Then let's now come to the evaluation part that says there, solve each problem and write the letter of the correct answer. Okay, you have number 1. A cake recipe needs 5/6 cup of the flour. If this amount is divided equally among 3 mini cakes, how much flour is used to each mini cake? Okay, so let's have number 2. A farmer harvested 7.5 kilograms of corn. If each sack can hold 3/4 kilogram, how many sacks can be filled? So you have the choices there. And of course, let's have number 3. A water tank contains 9/10 liter of water. If each glass holds 320 liter, how many glasses can be filled? Again, you have the choices. And of course, number 4, a baker has 4 kilograms of sugar. He wants to divide this equally among 7 bags. How much sugar will each bag contain? Okay. And number 5, a group of friends bought 5/8 kilogram of chocolate. If each person gets 1/16 kilogram, how many friends can share the chocolate equally? Okay? Okay. Thank you so much for today. And of course, I wish you all safe and stay dry. Okay? See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.